know why I got on the camera looking like this. Like, this is not it. This is just not it. Y'all want to see me? So this is what I look like. What is this? Oh my gosh. Why do I feel weird in front of the camera today? It's so weird. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chiamaa here. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a trimming video. So I'm just gonna trim my hair, but I think I'm just gonna do it like a vlog type because you guys just watching me do it is not gonna do anything because I don't really like want to do a tutorial yet until I have everything set up. So I just wanted to show you guys because I'm about to trim my hair. One tip that I would like to say to you guys is that try to trim your hair around like a full moon. I don't know the scientific benefits of it or like if it's scientific or whatever. Yeah, my mom always taught me like to trim your hair around a full moon because the energy of the moon actually can help you as a woman and for your hair to grow once you cut it. So that's what I do. It's near a full moon now, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's a little bit after, but I'm like, you know what, I wasn't thinking that I was gonna trim my hair, so I'm happy that it's close to this time. That's what I'm gonna do. Yes, I look fresh faced, nothing on. This is how I look exactly with no makeup on, and that's fine. I'm fine with my beauty and how I look. I do have a towel on, so keep your minds clean, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna go and put some clothes on, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I get started with blow drying my hair and trimming it. I always start with freshly blow dried hair. The reason why I do that also is because I want to be able to see what my ends look like. When it's curly, I can't see the full texture of my hair the way that it looks with split ends, single strand knots as well. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do and show you guys, so definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start trimming my hair now. I got it as straight as I kind of could. It doesn't have to like be bone straight, but I like it like that because it's easy to pull your hair completely. Already just like looking at my hair, you can tell that there are some like dents in it, and basically like you can see the where it needs to be cut because it's very thin as well here, and it's like straggly. Also, I'm gonna have to pull it out to the side and make sure that it's cut where it needs to be as well. In the back of my hair is a little bit shorter. I don't remember what happened, but well, actually like this is just the nape of my hair. I think I cut it shorter on accident one time, so yeah, that didn't go too well. I don't cut too much in the back because it's already like a little bit short, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit off and hopefully you guys can see. I wish that I had a nicer shirt to show you guys, but I don't want to mess up any other shirt. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, hopefully this is better and you guys can see. It's down to here. So basically it's at like tailbone length, almost. Like it's at hip length, I mean, not tailbone. I guess just watch me. I'm gonna clip like my hair, so just watch what I'm doing.
I put some ice on her hand, I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going as planned. I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. Her she went back to her man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway. You know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild way it's going in. Me and little sicko sitting sideways, breaking tents. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Texas, and it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tanning by the pool, and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo tryna leave my market piece to Easter. Ain't nobody making too much money on the beach stuff. But I be for rapper, cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X, if you don't say it direct, give a fuck.
Fresh all in my jeans and they fresh shoes. Diamonds all in my teeth, I come up in this. Gotta go your back, I put on fresh. Every time I'm home, you know I went to Billy. I did do these bills in my cup. I did just pulled up just to get fucked. I only one time, yeah, for sure.
Alright guys, so I'm basically just going through and like rolling my hair over to see if there's any like straggly ones that are coming out. Yeah, like sometimes the split ends, like they hide inside of your hair, so you don't want to miss out on any of those either. I just want to make sure I'm getting all of them, or as many as I can, because I can't get every single one. But you don't want the hair to like start shedding up your hair strand. One like this, go on here. Like I'm not cutting a lot of it either. I'm just cutting the ones that I see, and like this one here. See how it has single strand knot right there. So things like that, you know, I'm just going through my hair to make sure that it doesn't have any of that. I'm not cutting a lot off today, because like if I'm gonna cut my hair, I'm gonna do that professionally. But yeah, also I would say just be careful. If you don't know what you're doing, just go to a salon, please. Like, don't mess up your hair. For me, like, I don't wear my hair curly, so like curly, so it doesn't really bother me if I cut my own hair, because most of the time it's stretched out like this anyway. It's not stretched out all the way, but I stretch out my hair for the most part. So however I cut it is how it's gonna lay, unless I wear it like really curly, and I don't really do that. I don't wear wash and goes and stuff, just because it tangles my hair a lot, and I also feel like it gives more single strand knots as well. I'm going up the shafts of my hair, and just be careful with that as well, because you don't want to accidentally chop off anything. I would cut off more, but I feel like with my hair, if I take really good care of it, I don't have to cut a lot off. Like, you don't want to trim your hair so often that it's not growing. And when you leave it dirty, and well, I'm not saying that like leave your hair dirty, but if you don't wash it a lot, where you're stripping out the natural oils from your hair, and you just let it build up, and hair likes to be somewhat dirty, because I feel like it's like a plant, you know, you need dirt to grow. And it sounds disgusting, but that's kind of what your hair likes. In my eyes, that's what I do. Like, I like keeping it in protective styles. I don't, even though it looks sleeker, like I love my natural hair, and I don't really like to wear my hair straight all the time because it's not healthy. And either way, I want to love myself in the most natural state. Yeah, my camera cut off. Basically, I'm just saying, just be careful with how much you're cutting off. If you don't know what you're doing, just be mindful of that. That's all I really gotta say about it. So you could still see some, like whenever you could see through the hair, that means that it's stuff to cut off. But I'm not gonna cut off all of that, because I feel like that's too much. I'm not trying to cut my hair today. I'm just trimming it. I feel like that's healthy enough. I probably should, but I'm not gonna do that this time. I'll do that in another like 6 months or so. Like, I don't think you have to cut your hair a lot. Like, a lot of traditions and other countries and different people of ethnicities, they don't cut their hair often, and I feel like with their hair it grows a lot faster, because they realize like you don't have to cut your hair a lot, you just have to take care of the ends. But if you don't take care of your ends, then it's obviously you're gonna have to cut more. So that's basically what it is. And the difference between here at the bottom and here, so that would need to be cut off. So this is it. I'm gonna show you guys the finished results, but this is it. So it's not even because I twisted it, so you can't see that it's even. But yeah, it's pretty good. Hey guys, so I'm back. I know I didn't do anything with my face or anything like that, but yeah, I had to charge the camera and all of that, so I'm back. This is how my hair is right now. I just put it up. Yeah, let me just show you guys what it's looking like. Looks crazy, but this is basically it. I just put some layers in it, as you can see a little bit. Obviously, you're not gonna see like the full effect of my hair right now because it's blow dried, and because it's like not fully straight, my hair has texture to it, so it's gonna look big, you know. But anyway, so this is it. I love it. I feel like I did a great job. Like, I've been cutting my hair for like 3 years now. I actually never got my hair cut by a salon before, and I feel like, you know, it just saves me money. So I've been going on YouTube since I was like 20 years old and figuring out how to cut my own hair. So that's basically what I've been doing. Like, I've gotten trims before by people or the Dominican salon or whatever, but yeah, like other than that, no one's actually cut my hair before other than my mom. So yeah, that's basically it. I gave myself some layers because it already had layers in it. I mean, you can kind of tell where it has those straggly ends still a little bit, but I'm like trying not to cut off all of it off yet. This side feels a lot better, more smooth. This side's like pulling a little bit, and like I said, this side grows faster than this side, but I think that this one has a little bit more damage or whatever, or split ends or whatever you want to call it. But it is even, so you can see that right here. So I'm not gonna cut more of it off. I'll just wait till more of it grows out. But yeah, I feel like it looks good. I don't know why in my mind I feel like I could do multiple things in a day that take literally like 1 or 2 days, and I'm like, yeah, I could do it today in this amount of time. Like, I think I'm a super person or whatever, which I am, but just not with that. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. That was weird. All right, let me not say that again. How did I do? How you guys think I did?
I just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild way it's going in. Me and little sicko sitting sideways, breaking tents. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Texas, and it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one.